Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the EA7 expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This one uses moving averages for direction, relative vigor index for momentum, and average true range for volatility, which is the ATR, and also uses Alligator indicator to identify trend phases and some custom tools. Basically, it's hunting for reversal setups when these indicators line up against recent price extremes. Now, before we dive deep into today's EA, which is the 7 MT5, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, as I was saying, this expert advisor goes for $55 US, and it runs everything from a single chart, handling multiple pairs like AUDCAD, NZDCAD, NZDCHF, NZD, and AUDCHF. Basically, these are the pairs, but it runs all of them from one chart. You can turn each one on or off individually, and each pair gets its own stop loss, take profit, break even, and even trailing stop. The seller highlights multi-currency tests showing solid growth and profit factor around 3.0. The recovery factor is also over 4. And drawdowns in the 8 to 11% range for both balance and equity. And also he had a 3,000 account, taking it to a net profit of $2,250. The equity curves they show look pretty controlled with a good number of trades. Basically, this is it. This is the equity curve, and this is the result for 1 year. Now, the key marketed features include the pair mix spread controls and the ability to pause trading during bad conditions. Also, we have the options for fixed lot or custom risk scaling. Then there's the time and day filters, the news related settings, and it works on hedging accounts. They recommend at least a $2,000 balance and a reliable VPS for best performance across time frames. Now, this is the default settings, default inputs, and I use these default inputs from the developer to run a backtest on AUDCAD on the 5-minute time frame for the past year, June 2025 to June 2026, on a $10,000 deposit. Also on a fixed 0.01 lot, every tick modeling with 100% history quality, and the result was a net loss of about $2,441. And also the max balance drawdown reached 25.5%. The equity drawdown was around 28.3%, and the win rate came in lower than claimed, with some rough consecutive losses and visible sharp drops on the equity curve, especially in late 2025. Now, comparing this to the developer's strong multi-pair numbers, this shows how much real conditions can differ. The realistic reversal logic works in some regimes but struggles when the move keeps going against it. You can see this sharp drop, then another sharp drop, then another one until it ended in a big loss. Now, my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's honestly the one chart multi-pair setup and combination of classic indicators is clever, but the catch is that these crosses can correlate heavily, leading to bigger drawdowns in live trading than the backtest suggests. And also the spread sensitivity, we also have the slippage and those occasional big losing trades. All of these are real risks that you need to manage when trading with the 7 expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is for experienced prop traders or funded account users who can thoroughly test the full basket on tight spread brokers who can monitor correlations and handle 25% drawdowns. Beginners or anyone looking for super smooth low drawdown performance should probably just avoid this expert advice, or it's not worth it. Always test on your own broker first. Always test on your own broker data first before you trade with any expert advisor, including the 7 EA. Now that's our review for the 7. Like this video if you want more real expert advice or reviews like this one. Subscribe and hit the notifications so you don't miss the next one. Comment below which expert advisor you want me to review next, and don't forget to grab the free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.